How to fix blood flow and circulation. Heart, arteries, legs and feet. Today I'm sharing my top 11 essential tips for improving blood flow and circulation. I've also included some less known tips that many people overlook, which can make a significant difference. If you're interested in optimizing your circulation and avoiding common mistakes, keep watching. I use these strategies with my patients daily, and we're diving into them now. Blood clots are essentially clumps of platelets. On the other hand, arteriosclerosis involves the accumulation of fat and plaque on artery walls, which impedes blood flow to your extremities. What we're focusing on is poor circulation and congestion, which manifests as issues like varicose veins, lymphedema, and general swelling. This occurs when blood accumulates due to pressure and health problems, leading to swollen ankles, feet, and varicose veins. Let's start the countdown of effective tips based on my daily experiences with patients. 1. Compression therapy. Compression socks and sleeves are vital for enhancing circulation. They apply pressure to your legs, helping to push blood flow back to your heart, making it easier for your heart to manage blood circulation. Think of swelling as a traffic jam, while arterial disease is like road construction blocking your route. Compression is excellent for varicose veins and edema but can be uncomfortable or even harmful for arterial sclerosis. Too much swelling from inactivity can hinder your heart's ability to pump blood effectively. Historical practices like tying people to trees in the Wild West illustrate the dangers of immobility, leading to serious complications. Compression socks have shown remarkable results even for professional gamers, significantly reducing swelling and pain in their legs. Research published in the American Journal of Internal Medicine in 2013 supports the effectiveness of compression socks in reducing leg swelling and enhancing venous blood flow. I recommend starting with over-the-counter socks, ideally with 10 to 15 mm of mercury of pressure, as they're more comfortable and cost-effective compared to prescription options. 2. Regular exercise. Being sedentary is detrimental, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, with many of us spending more time sitting. Physical activities like walking, cycling, and swimming are essential for promoting blood circulation. Even simple actions like getting up every hour or doing calf raises can make a significant difference. The Journal of Vascular Surgery, 2017, found that regular movement helps alleviate foot and ankle swelling and improve circulation. Aim to get up for at least a minute every hour if sitting for extended periods. Studies indicate that sitting for over 3 hours is as harmful as smoking. Light exercises like calf raises or pressing your feet against the floor can help maintain circulation even when seated. 3. Strength training. Strength training is crucial for overall health and circulation. It doesn't require heavy weights. Even bodyweight exercises like air squats can be beneficial. This form of exercise enhances vasodilation, nitric oxide production, and capillary density, improving arterial function and blood flow. Research in the Journal of Physiology, 2005, and the American Journal of Hypertension confirms these benefits. Incorporating strength training into your routine can lead to significant health improvements, including better metabolism, muscle strength, and blood flow. 4. Leg elevation. Elevating your legs above heart level can boost venous blood flow and reduce pressure in individuals with chronic venous disease. Studies published in the Journal of Vascular Surgery, 2015, support this technique. Using leg pumps while sitting can also alleviate fatigue and improve circulation. 5. Massage therapy. Massage therapy, including foot massages and massage guns, can enhance blood flow and reduce muscle tension. Regular use of these tools helps keep blood moving and can be particularly effective for relieving soreness and improving circulation. The Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, 2010, found that foot massages can increase blood flow and enhance vascular function. 6. Warm water soaks. Soaking in warm water with Epsom salts can improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Epsom salts help with conditions like athlete's foot and toenail fungus, and the warm water soothes muscles and decreases swelling. Research in the Journal of Cardiology, 2017, highlights the benefits of warm water immersion for blood flow and arterial health. 7. Nutrient intake. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining good circulation. If you're overweight or have diabetes, addressing these issues is crucial. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and vitamins are vital for healthy blood flow. Avoid sugary and processed foods and focus on natural, nutrient-rich options like lean meats, vegetables, and whole grains. I provide guides for the top foods and supplements for blood circulation and leg health in the links below. 8. Horse chestnut. Horse chestnut is a well-known remedy for reducing swelling and supporting venous health. It has been traditionally used to improve blood flow and strengthen capillaries. Several studies confirm its effectiveness, and I've included some recommended products below. 9. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important for maintaining proper circulation. Adequate water intake helps prevent salt retention and keeps blood from becoming too thick. If you're not suffering from kidney issues or congestive heart failure, drinking plenty of water can improve circulation and overall health. Check the link for a favorite drink that supports hydration. 10. Addressing health issues. Managing underlying health conditions like diabetes, arterial disease, and smoking is crucial. No amount of tips or tricks will be effective if these major issues aren't addressed. Studies have shown that underlying health problems can negate the benefits of other interventions. Focus on quitting smoking, managing weight, and seeking professional help to address these conditions. 11. Avoiding prolonged sitting. Long periods of sitting are as harmful as smoking. If you sit for extended hours, try using a stand-up desk or take breaks to move around. Incorporating simple exercises and stretches while seated can also be beneficial. Using a standing desk has improved my own health, reducing pain and enhancing overall well-being. Bonus secrets. Finally, the most crucial secrets involve addressing biomechanical imbalances and ensuring proper footwear. Many people with circulation issues have underlying joint or muscle imbalances that can be corrected with a biomechanical exam. Proper shoes, orthotics, and addressing muscle imbalances are essential for effective treatment. By focusing on these areas, you can significantly improve your circulation and overall health. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out the additional resources linked below.